Welcome back to another video. If you just watched last week's video, well, this is immediately after, but we're here in the aluminum fab shop, which is also my second evening day job, whatever you want to call it. I work here 4 days a week about. Kind of work my own schedule, but this is where I'm going to be doing the aluminum canopy tray build of this, or portion of this build. So I already started. I forgot my camera last night, but here we have the floor. This is the outside perimeter of the floor. Now it looks small, but this bed is 80 inches long. That is 60 inches. I say it's 70 and some change, but that's 60 inches by 71 inches wide. So it's a pretty big canopy box, and the plan is I'll have the spare tire right here with chainsaw and jerry cans and all that good stuff there, but it's going to match the profile of the headache rack. But yeah, that is the update on that. So we're going to start right now. It's a Tuesday evening. We're going to hopefully get the floor all framed out, and then tomorrow I'll start the front and rear walls. Thursday I'll start the roof, and then Friday I'll start the doors. Now the other goal is to be able to get this completely framed out. That way I can mount the rooftop tent and my spare tire and go camping. It's going to be a minute before I can skin it because sheet aluminum is very expensive and I have run out of funds. So we got to save a little bit for that. It shouldn't take too long if I get my butt to work. So that's the update there. Let's get to welding or cutting or both. Also, if you guys want to know what $950 of aluminum looks like, just this, which is mine, I have paid for. Square tubing, there's 1.5 by 1.5, 2 by 2, inch by inch, and there's angle pieces in there. $950. So I don't want to know what my employer spent for this, because that had to be more than that. But anyways, that's why I can't get the aluminum sheets yet. Okay, we are calling it a night. I am a mess, but we just finished the floor frame, or the frame for the floor of the canopy tray. So everything's welded out except for the bottom. Bottom's gonna have sheet metal on it. So that will sit there. Still got to figure out how I really want to mount it. I have options. multiple options will work, but I don't know yet. So started filming last night. This is day 2 of this video. Tomorrow will be day 3, where we start building or framing out the walls, and then Friday we'll do the roof, and then Saturday we'll mount the tent. I think that's how this is gonna work. So anyways, good night.